Alright, the vehicle we're going to be putting this in is a 2014 Focus ST. It's already got an aftermarket radio with the Majestro in, so this should go pretty smooth. So we have the Halo9 installed into the ST. Looks pretty good. Pop up this button right here. This will show a bunch of shortcuts to most of your sources. It'll also show you shortcuts like your phone, the Majestro integration, your backup camera, as well as getting into the setup menus, which we'll dive right into right now. Here you'll be able to change device priority and pairings. You can get down to sound. We'll go in there in a minute. This is very in depth. You can change like the color of the backgrounds. We'll go light blue. Text scroll. Some vehicle information. Go down here, some source information. HDMI or DVD, whatever is hooked up to it. If you want to change the guides on the camera, go into here, turn them on and off. Now we'll go back into the sound. Here in the sound you can tweak just about anything you could possibly imagine. Of course you got your balance and fader. You can turn the rear speakers on and off as well as the subwoofer. We have the subwoofer levels, the phase. If you want to switch that to 180, you can do that right here. Now that we're in the detailed menu, you also have a graphical balance and fader. Here we got the EQ presets. This is a good, easy way to start tuning the system. So, go through these, see which one you like, and after you find one that's pretty good, you can go in here and tweak it yourself. You can also go in and change the crossover. So there's the front crossover, the rear crossover, and the subwoofer crossover. Alright, from here you can get to Apple CarPlay. You just need to plug in the phone, let it load up, and there you have it. Apple CarPlay is a very strict implementation policy, so I mean this is what it's going to look like on any vehicle, but you can't interact with it on a 9-inch screen in many other vehicles. So in here we can go to Spotify, and of course go forward, go back. Being that this vehicle is also tied in with the Majestro, I'm able to push and hold on here because of the settings I have on my Majestro unit, and I can hop straight into the vehicle data screen. So here we can see that I've had this vehicle on for too long, obviously, also the tire pressures and the gauges. So if I start it up, you're able to see that. If I go in here, select the gauges, center gauge, we'll do RPM. Alright. So now that's showing right in the middle. We give it little beans. There we go. Alright. You also can do Android Auto very easily. Just like Apple CarPlay, it'll look essentially the same as it does on other receivers, but the way you interact with it on a 9-inch screen is much more pleasurable. So, thanks for taking the time to take a look at the Halo9 we installed in this 2014 Focus ST.